चैट जीपीटी सीखना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है, आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है, आ जाओ बॉस, वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
So in this video, I am having an AI tool that will help you to remove your background with the help of just one AI tool. See, I'm not having any kind of green screen background in my, this wall. Basically, it is a complete white wall, but still it is white wall. I'm going to teach you that how can you remove this background. There was a time when you have to use all this green screen and all this kind of tool to remove or change your background. But this 2023 is all about AI technology. Doesn't matter what kind of background it is. For now, I'm using this white background, and to make you prove that yes, this AI tool really works so well, I'm just changing my background. Just hold for a minute. So now I'm standing, at this wall, which is completely yellow and the designer wall. Even with this wall, I'll let you know that how can you change background without using any kind of chroma, without using any kind of green screen. You can change the entire background and make your video look more professional. You can add any kind of office background. You can add any kind of, aesthetic background or a kind of cafe's background. It might be any background. Let me take you back to the white background. I'm just loving it. Okay, so now this looks good. So with the help of this AI tool, you can remove the background and, make your video look more professional. So without wasting any of your time, let me take you to my PC and let's understand how this really works. So to begin with this thing, let's go to unscreen.com. So this is the website that we were talking about. So basically there are 2 ways that you can do with this website. One is the free version and another one is the pro version. So we have made a demo video ready and we will be using that video to see how does the free version works and how professionally the pro version works. So let's click on the upload clip button and let's see how does it really works. So before I begin with the video, this is the video out of which we are going to remove the background. Firstly, we will be removing the background as a white background. And secondly, we will be removing this yellow background, which you can see in this video. So let me take you back to the AI tool and let's see how efficiently does this really work. So we have uploaded the video is completely uploaded and you can see that yes, the tool is really working so well. This is the free version that you are doing. You can see that there is one free clips option, another one is this unscreen pro option. This is the freer version. The freer version has some limitations like you can only download to 5 seconds of clip, and yes, not even you can download this as a MP4 version. You can download it as a GIF format or animated PNG, or you can download this 5-second clips in a single frame option. So basically if you click on this option and when you download it, you will download this 5 seconds of frame in a zip format, where if you open this, you'll get to see this much of photos. As per the FAS, you will get to see that much of images in your zip folder. So this is about the freer version. Okay, and just not as this, we can also come down, click on the change background option. Okay, and you just have to go to this color option, image option, video option, whichever background suits you well, you can select that thing. And according to your taste, like if I select this black background, you can see that the white edginess is not perfectly done in this thing, and also watermark is coming here. So I'll just go to this image option, let's select a good thing. But yes, I can say that this tool is really working so well that I didn't have any kind of chroma or background in my video, but still it removed the background so well and kept me in the frame very amazingly well. I'll just go to this image option and select one of any background. So okay, I'm satisfied with this office bricks, but still I'm not that well happy with the result that I have got. So let's do a thing. Let's go to the unscreen pro option. Okay, it is asking me to log in. So before I log in, let me show you the options that you will get in the pro version. That is, you will get the full HD version, you will get full length clips, there is no restriction, like you will get only 5 seconds of clip, you will not get to see any watermarks, the video file that you can see in the result can download it. You can also integrate in your applications with API integration and add some plugins into it, and it also supports audio. Basically, when I drag my mouse here, it shows that MP4 or Pro Bundle as output formats. It shows that enjoy audio support every time you select video MP4 or Pro Bundle as output format. Animated GIF file formats cannot support sound. Yes, obviously GIF don't have sound. So let's click on the login button and let's now sign. Okay, wait a minute. So before moving ahead, I would like to tell you one more thing. If you are someone who wants to get adapted with the AI technology and wants to learn more and more amount of things, just like how you are learning here, like changing the background, emphasizing the audio, you might be noticing that in Be10x, we always bring the best AI tools just for you to enhance your work and reduce your time of working. If you are someone who wants to really get adapted with the AI technology, wants to learn more about the AI technology, then we are coming up with a workshop, 3 hours of workshop. I'm not here to sell this workshop. It is for your own benefit. This workshop will cost only 9 rupees, and in just 9 rupees, you are going to update your AI knowledge. So this workshop is going to be conducted by the two IIT alumni, and they are going to make you learn and adapt the new futuristic way of working. That is the AI technology 2023. To know more about the workshop and to enroll for it, do check out the link given in the description below, and let's get back to the video. So now that I have successfully signed in this website, let's click on upload clip once again, and I'll select the video once again, but not in the free version. Now I'll be selecting the unscreen pro version. I'll click on upload video. I'll reselect the video. So this was the last video when I tried making it, by removing the background. Okay, so now you can see that the pro version is working little better comparing with the free version. I won't say little better, I would say probably it is working so amazingly well comparing with the free version. Like if I select any kind of background, you don't get to see, any kind of, this white edginess in the border basically. In the freer version, you got to see that white edginess, some thickness around the corners of my body. But let's select any kind of black background. Even in the black background, you don't get to see any kind of this white edginess. This is the transfer the video. In the video option, you can select any of the background. In the color option, you can select any of the color. You can also select chroma here. In the image option, like personally, I like this one. Also this as well. Like this one is the best frame that I am loving it for my video basically. So to let you know how does it really looks, I'm going to buy this video so that you can have a detailed look at the video. So let's just buy it and let me show you how does it really looks. So now we have finally got the invoice. Now let's refresh the page and let's see whether we can download it or not. Let's choose a background from the image. Like I'll just click on next, click on process video. Now the video is getting downloaded. Now let's see that how does it really looks after removing the background. So now that you can see that the video is downloaded, let's click on the download button and let's just download this video and see how does this looks, how the output is. Let's just open the video. I'm just curious about the output. So this was how the output is. So this was all about the unscreen.com AI tool. Okay, wait a minute. So this was all about how you can remove and change background where any of your video, doesn't matter it is white background, doesn't matter it was yellow background. It might change the background. You can change the background with the help of this AI tool. I hope you found this video useful. Then do like this video and I'll see you with one more amazing video with one more amazing AI tool. Till then, stay tuned with Be10x. Yes, I would also like to tell you one more thing. Let me know in the comment section below that what kind of AI tools do you use in your everyday tasks so that will enhance your work. With this thing, we'll also get to know about your AI tools and people will get to know about your adults, and this will bring an interaction in our community. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Be10x and I'll meet you with one more amazing AI tool. Till then, bye bye.